Turtle and Wild Boar. Once upon a time, turtles were very long-legged and tall animals. One day, the kimono gathered and started to compare their strength. At that time, the most powerful was the whist bear. That's why the boar is always big, and when it comes to the place of power comparison. Ahem, ahem. And he looked like he was bossy. Now, the turtle that got sad when he saw this, he also imitated the war. Ahem, ahem. And I did it. When I heard this, the wheel became louder and louder. Ehen, ehen. And I did it. Then, the turtle also lost. Ehh, ehen. The boar also lost. Eheen, ehen. The two of them stared at each other, but the turtle said, "Inoshi-kun, I'd like to ask you something." "What is it?" The bear pointed its long neck at the turtle. Unlike now, the boar at that time was a very long-necked animal. "I heard that you are proud of having a little power. Well, it won't be my match." When the turtle said, the angry boar, "What? I'll crush you." And I held down the turtle from the top of the shell. The turtle that was held down also stretched its legs and worked hard, but the power of the boar was very strong, and the turtle's legs became shorter and shorter. In addition, the hard turtle shell has also become full of cracks. So the turtle's feet became those fluffy short legs, and the hard shell was also full of cracks. Wah! Let's see. The winning bear started to run vigorously out of joy. But when I was looking away, I hit my head hard on the big rock in front of me, and my long neck shrank. That's why the boar's neck has become as short as it is now. The end.